Denham Town Councillor Jermaine Hyatt has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica Labour Party JLP Councillor for the Denham Town Division, Jermaine Hyatt, has died. Links 007 TV News understand that Hyatt might have suffered a heart attack while in hospital on Saturday night. Jamaica Labour Party Deputy Leader for Era 1 Councillor and Member of Parliament for West Kingston, Desmond Mackenzie, confirmed the passing of Hyatt, who he described as a champion representative who gave priority to serving the people of his division with distinction. I am stunned by the news of the death of Councillor Hyatt. He served the people of Denham Town well. He was a champion representative who gave priority to serving the people of the division with distinction. Only a few weeks ago, he was in fine style when he addressed the Era 1 Council meeting in West Kingston. We will miss his contribution even as we grieve his untimely death, Mackenzie said. The JLP deputy leader also expressed condolences to Hyatt's family, friends and colleagues. The Jamaica Labour Party thoughts and prayers are with Councillor Hyatt's loved one at this difficult time. It is a trying time for us at the Jamaica Labour Party, in particular to those who he served in the local government fraternity, Mackenzie said. Only a few weeks ago, we were hit by the death of Councillor Christopher Towson, who is to be laid to rest on December the 7th, 2024 at the Beulah Pentecostal Temple at 27 Olympic Way in Kingston. We also continue to hold Councillor Towson family in our prayers. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.